Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. On Friday, DAX jumped by 197 points. CAC 40 was up by 1.78%. US 30 was also up and that also by 2%. Nikkei 225 crossed the level of 32,000 at the high of last 33 years. US 100 at a new high again. In last to last newsletter written, many stocks and indices are boiling in hurry to form a new high. What next? Do we cautious at this point of time or participate in this rally is a big question. Answer is follow price action, trading levels or whatever system you are following for trading or the investment. Remember on April 23rd, it was written and published in the newsletter, is it Nifty again ready for a big move? And two levels were mentioned in the same newsletter were 16,848 and 18,772. On that date, Nifty 50 was very close to the level of 16,848 and today Nifty 50 is at 18,534. which is again very close to the another level of 18,772. What next? Next, 18,772 and 19,279 is a trend deciding range. So 18,772 to 19,279 is going to play a big role in coming days. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading and happy investing to all my students. Lots of love from core of my heart.